Have you ever wondered how to protect your network from potential threats and vulnerabilities? Well, the answer lies in network scanning tools. These tools play a crucial role in maintaining the security of your network. Think of them as the guardians of your digital fortress, tirelessly scanning and identifying any potential weak spots. They sift through each packet of data, looking for any signs of vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious entities. Imagine your network as a castle. You have your walls, your towers, and your gate. But how do you know if there are any hidden passages or weak spots in your defenses? That's where network scanning tools come in. They act as scouts, scouring your network for any potential threats and vulnerabilities. The world of network scanning is vast and varied, with a multitude of tools available, each with its unique strengths and features. With a plethora of network scanning tools available, it can be challenging to select the right one. Let's dive deeper into some of the popular options. First on our list is Nmap, or Network Mapper. This is a free and open source tool that's widely used for network discovery and security auditing. It's renowned for its ability to rapidly scan large networks, but it's equally efficient at scanning single hosts. One of the standout features of Nmap is its flexibility. It can adapt to a variety of situations, making it a powerful tool in the hands of a skilled user. It offers a myriad of capabilities, from host discovery to detailed service probing, vulnerability scanning, and even network inventorying. It's truly a jack of all trades in the network scanning world. However, this wide range of capabilities comes with a caveat. Nmap has a steep learning curve, particularly for beginners. Its command line interface can be daunting for those new to network scanning. Moreover, while its versatility is a strength, it can also be a weakness. The sheer number of options and configurations can be overwhelming, and improper use can lead to inaccurate results or even network disruptions. But don't let that deter you. Once you've climbed that learning curve, Nmap proves to be an invaluable tool, offering detailed insights into network structures and potential vulnerabilities. It's a favorite among seasoned professionals, and for good reason. So if you're a seasoned professional looking for a robust, flexible tool, Nmap could be your go-to option. Moving on, let's explore Nessus, another popular network scanning tool. Nessus is often hailed as one of the most user-friendly tools in the field of network scanning. Its interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, which means you can get down to business without having to wrestle with a steep learning curve. One of the standout features of Nessus is its comprehensive vulnerability database. This tool is constantly updated with the latest vulnerabilities, which gives you the power to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Whether it's outdated software, weak passwords, or configuration errors, Nessus has got you covered. So you're probably thinking, this sounds great, where do I sign up? Well, here's the thing, Nessus is not free for commercial use. While there's a free version available for personal use, businesses looking to utilize Nessus will need to invest in one of their paid plans. But don't let that deter you. The value Nessus brings in terms of network security could far outweigh the cost. So, what's the takeaway here? Nessus is a powerful, user-friendly network scanning tool with an extensive vulnerability database. Its commercial use does come at a cost, but the potential ROI in terms of safeguarding your network might make it a worthy investment. Nessus might be your pick if you're seeking an easy-to-use tool with a comprehensive vulnerability database. Last but not least, let's delve into Wireshark, a unique tool in the network scanning landscape. Wireshark is a powerful and widely used network protocol analyzer that lets you see what's happening on your network at a microscopic level. It's the go-to tool for network troubleshooting, protocol development, and education worldwide. Wireshark's strength lies in its ability to capture and analyze network data in real time. This means you can see exactly what's happening on your network at any given moment. A boon for network administrators trying to troubleshoot problematic network communications or curious users wanting to understand network protocols at a granular level. But Wireshark's capabilities don't stop there. It also boasts advanced analysis features. For instance, the tool can read and write different capture file formats and export your output to XML, PostScript, CSV, or plain text. However, as with any tool, Wireshark has its downsides. its complexity can be quite intimidating to beginners. The vast array of features and data can seem overwhelming at first, and it has a steep learning curve. But don't let that deter you. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn the ropes. In summary, Wireshark's real-time data capturing capability and advanced analysis features make it an invaluable tool for network analysis. However, its complexity may pose a challenge for beginners. Despite this, Wireshark is an excellent choice if you need real-time network monitoring and don't mind a complex interface. Now that we've explored 3 powerful network scanning tools, it's time to summarize. In our deep dive into the world of network scanning tools, we've traveled through the realms of Nmap, Nessus, and Wireshark, each with its own unique strengths and capabilities. First, we navigated the world of Nmap, a versatile tool that shines in its ability to identify devices on a network. It's a master at mapping out the cyber terrain, but remember, it does require a certain level of technical expertise to utilize its full potential. Next, we ventured into Nessus territory. This tool excels in vulnerability scanning, identifying weak spots in your network that could be exploited. However, it's important to note that Nessus can be a bit resource-intensive, so it may not be the best fit for every network environment. Lastly, we dove into the depths of Wireshark. This tool stands out for its detailed packet analysis, providing a deep, granular look into your network traffic. But be mindful that Wireshark's comprehensive data can sometimes be overwhelming. Hence, it's best suited for those with a keen eye for detail. Each tool we've explored offers unique benefits and has its own set of challenges. They are all powerful in their own right, but their effectiveness will ultimately depend on your specific needs and level of expertise. Remember, the best network scanning tool depends on your specific needs and expertise, so choose wisely and keep your network secure.